a new mirror dash cam installed on my Kia Carens. It helps me to minimize the blind spots while driving. This 12-inch dash cam comes with 4 cameras, front, rear, left and right, and record 247 videos. Front camera also comes with ADAS feature, which helps me to notify in case of unpredictable vehicle movements ahead. Here you can see all the videos recorded by all 4 cameras, and we can play back each using the inbuilt video player. It also have own GPS navigation system and also support Google Maps navigation system. We can easily connect this device to Wi-Fi networks and play YouTube videos. It also has Bluetooth calling function and FM radio. This dash cam supports mobile SIM cards, and it helps to track your car using Car Assist application. You can also view the live footage of all your trips using this mobile application.